Every episode of Hydrostan over the years has brought to us water tales from a lake, river, stepwell, sometimes even highlighting hydro warriors. This episode, our focus will be on the city of Chennai. The three rivers of Kosastalayar, Kuvam, Adayar are not what we will focus on. It's not the Buckingham story. It's not even the Seven Wells story. To be honest, it's not even the entire story. We're taking you to one part of Chennai to tell you just one part of her water stories. Hydrostan takes you to India's water capital, Chennai. Let's start from the southern gateway of Tambaram. West of Tambaram is this battlefield turned mega lake of Mani Mangalam. As far as the eye can see, it's a world of fresh water. A significant feeder tank to the Adayar River, this lake enjoys a vast spread and is a sight to behold. Look at this expanse. Get lost into the blue. Look at this towering embankment that runs for miles. Look at that tree. Look at that bird. Look at all the water that Mani Mangalam holds. If this is to be the result of every battle, let there be war. A war to establish water excellence such as this mega lake of Chennai. Mani Mangalam is just one tiny tile of the larger Chennai lake map. We shift our focus towards Karasangal, a smaller cousin of the larger Mani Mangalam. On the Vandalur-Oragadam highway is this habitat paradise. This E.F.I restored lake with its berry-bearing, fruit-bearing, nectar-bearing, dense vegetation as a biofence protects a unique microcosm of aquatic life. The variety of fish, the parade of birds that come to feed on them, and the towering trees that host these birds form an intricate water jungle here at Karasangal. No. Forget this list ending. It hasn't even started. Quickly, let's head to Mannivakam. Or should we check out Adanur? So does that mean we are skipping Muduchur? Now this is a choice overload. Not to worry, no lake would be overlooked. Let's take a pit stop here at the Vandalur Lake, proudly presenting another E.F.I restored lake. The creeper crawler on the fence, the skimmer swimmer in the trench. This restored lake is today an urban trend. Just beneath this hillock on an arterial highway is this natural cavity that is now a neighborhood beauty. In a distance of just 7 kilometers in one direction, in one part of Chennai, we have a list with nearly 21 water bodies of kind, shape and size. That is what makes Chennai unique. It's not an exaggerated claim. Take a look at this satellite image. Oxbow lakes that are interconnected, west gathering, east flowing systems. These man-made and regulated structures redefine life. Understanding this concept of lakes in Chennai is simple. Conserve water when and where it's available. Falling in love with the lakes of Chennai is even simpler because they are all over and ever pretty. Through Hydrostan, E.F.I celebrates the Mani Mangalam, Karasangal, Mannivakam, Adanur, Vandalur, Muduchur, lakes of Chennai. This is not even the L in the lakes of Chennai list. Watch this space for more. Soon, we bring to focus one of the several other lakes that this city boasts of. Now answer right. Lake capital, water capital of India is